Have you ever wondered how AI creates people who don't actually exist, stunning digital artworks, or incredibly realistic images? The technology behind this is called Generative Adversarial Networks, or GAN. Think of it as a competition between two AI models. One tries to create fake images that look real, while the other AI tries to detect whether those images are fake or genuine. As they compete, both become smarter, producing amazingly realistic results. For example, imagine a student learning to draw a portrait. A professional art teacher reviews every drawing and point out mistakes. The student keeps improving after every correction. Eventually, the artwork becomes so realistic that most people can't even tell apart from real photographs. This is how a GAN network actually works the same way. The generator is the student artist and the discriminator is the artist teacher. Now let's see how a GAN actually works. A GAN has two neural networks. The first is the generator, whose job is to create new images from random data called noise. At first, the image looks terrible, just random shapes and color. Then, the second network is the discriminator. It compares the generated image with real images and decides whether it is real or fake. If the discriminator spots mistake, it sends feedback to the generator. The generator learns from those mistakes and tries again. This cycle repeats thousands or even millions of times until the generated image becomes incredibly realistic. So where are GANs actually used? One of the most popular use is AI image generation. Tools like AI art generators can create realistic people, landscapes, and paintings that never existed. As we learned in our other video, where I had given a prompt file for generating AI images, and we saw how AI images can be generated with a detailed prompt. Even one mistake in the prompt can be very crucial and very bad for generating an image. In the gaming industry, developers use GAN to generate unique character face and environment, reducing the time artists spend creating assets. GAN are also used in healthcare to generate medical images for training AI models without exposing real patient data. They can even restore old, damaged photos by sharpening details and adding realistic colors. For entertainment to medicine, GAN are transforming how digital content is created. GAN are incredibly powerful, but like any technology, they have both strengths and weaknesses. One major advantage is that they can create highly realistic images, videos, and artworks without copying existing content. They also help generate synthetic data, which is useful when real data is limited, such as medical research. However, GAN is difficult to train. The generator and discriminator must improve at the same pace. If one becomes too strong, the other struggles to learn, resulting in poor quality outputs. Training GAN also requires large data set and powerful computers, making them expensive and time consuming to develop. So let's quickly recap. A generative adversarial network or GAN is made up of two AI models working against each other. The generator creates realistic content, while the discriminator checks whether the content is real or fake. Through continuous feedback and improvement, the generator becomes better at creating images that are often indistinguishable from real ones. GANs are used to AI art, gaming, healthcare, movies, and photo restoration. While they are incredibly powerful, they also require careful training and responsible use because the same technology can be misused to create convincing fake media. As AI continues to evolve, GAN remains one of the most influential breakthroughs in generative AI. So now in the comment below, tell me where you are going to use GANs and how you are going to use it. Subscribe to my channel for quick AI related educational content and give me a like and subscribe and also share to your friends who want to learn AI quickly. Thank you for being here and watching till the end.